Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be talking about Facebook memorialization and legacy settings. So basically, once someone passes away, what happens to their Facebook account and profile and all of their data? I'm going to show you how to set that up to make sure that you or your loved ones are prepared when that time comes. You can also do this on the desktop version of Facebook as well. But what you want to do is go to your profile by clicking on your profile image there, getting to your profile, or if you wanted to, you can even go to the menu there at the bottom portion of the screen, and then once under menu, you just tap on your profile name there at the top. However you want to get to your profile, it doesn't really matter. And then once we are here, you are going to want to tap on the three horizontal dots there next to Edit Profile and Add Story. Go ahead and tap on those. And then once here, you will see profile settings will be presented to you. And then you're going to see something there that says memorialization settings. It's got a heart icon next to it. If we tap into that, it's going to tell you all about account memorialization and the legacy contact feature. And I'm going to walk you through that now. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to choose your legacy content. So basically, you're choosing a friend, someone to manage your profile after you pass away. They can be a friend or family, and you can give them as much or as little data or information as you want. If you tap on the Choose Legacy Contact, it's going to basically tell you what they're going to be able to do. They can manage tribute posts on your behalf. They can request the removal of your account. They can respond to friend requests. They basically have very minimal control over your account. But if you trust this person, you can give them this access. Go ahead and tap on the next button there, and then a box will come up where you can search for that friend. I'm going to go ahead and search for one now, and I'm going to select that person. And then once you tap on them, it'll say, are you sure you want to add them as a legacy contact? Go ahead and tap OK. And then once you do that, it's going to let them know by sending them a message that, hey, want you to know I trust you and you are my legacy contact. If something were to happen to me, you will be in charge of my Facebook account and profile. That's going to send them a message via Facebook Messenger. If I want to remove this, I can actually tap remove and remove them as my legacy contact, but I want to go and dive a little deeper. If you go into data archive permission, basically it's going to allow the person that you select to be your legacy contact to download all of your data, like your posts, your photos, videos, any information about on your profile. You can allow them by tapping into yes, allow, and then go ahead and tap save there, and that will allow them to go ahead and download everything. Now, I'm going to remove this person as my legacy contact because I can right now, just to show you another option that you have here. So once you're back under the memorialization settings, you can also just delete your account after death. So basically, if you tap into delete account after death, right now I have no don't delete after death, but you would go to yes, delete after death, and then a friend or family member you need to let them know beforehand, hey, listen, let Facebook know when this happens to me to go ahead and delete my account. If you select that and tap save into there, you can delete account after death, and when they let Facebook know, they will automatically remove everything, profile, data, everything from Facebook, tap into confirm, and you are good to go. So those are your two options. You can choose a legacy contact to take control of your account, or you can just delete your Facebook account permanently after death with the confirmation from a friend or family to Facebook. So that's how you do it. I know it's a grim subject to talk about, but it is probably something that as we are in this new age now, the next 20 to 30 years, we're going to see a lot of this happen, and we already have. And so it is a very important thing to probably tackle now as opposed to worrying about it when the time comes. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next video.